Let us talk about fermented fruit juice. What is fermented fruit juice? Fermented fruit juice is a nutritional activation enzyme that helps improve the condition of the soil and therefore the crops growing in it. Through foliar of fermented fruit juice can improve the flavor of the crops because it also functions as a natural taste enhancer. Raw brown sugar is an important ingredient in producing FPJ, since it is responsible for the extraction of phytochemicals which can be found in vegetables and fruits. These phytochemicals are accountable for the protection of cells which fights against damages that may lead to cancer. Scientists anticipate that eating more fruits and vegetables may reduce the risk of cancer by up to 40%. The fermentation process usually takes about a week, but in some cases it may take about a month or longer. To produce fermented fruit juice, it is better to use overripe fruits because it can lessen the fermentation period and necessary microorganisms like molds that are already present in them. The natural farming method was developed by Dr. Han Kyu Cho of South Korea, and today it is also used in propagating livestock by adding it into their feeds. So now I will teach you how to make them. First, the materials. You need a kilogram of each sweet, ripe fruit or root crop of choice that will be totaled with 3 kilograms, 3 kilograms of raw sugar or molasses, porous paper, chopping board, an empty pail or container that can hold up to 20 liters, and empty bottles with a lid. So, procedure. Step 1. Gather the fruits and wash them thoroughly. Then chop them up into bits and put them in a container. After putting them in the container, mix them alongside with the molasses or brown sugar. After mixing, place a nylon screen or fishnet above the mixture and place rocks to put pressure on them. Cover the lid with porous paper to seal it and use rubber bands to ensure the paper is intact. Label the mixture with its date of fermentation. Then let the mixture ferment in a dark or shaded room for a week or more. After fermenting in a week later, extract the mixture in the plastic bottle and make sure to filter the mixture. And that is how to make a fermented fruit juice. So when using the mixture, dilute it in a liter of water for every 2 tablespoons of fermented fruit juice. For application and when applying it to plants, prepare the same dosage, spray it on the flowers and fruits 1 to 2 times a week. Doing this is more important at the onset of flowering and fruit setting because the mixture is rich in phosphorus and potassium, which are necessary during these stages. And application for animals is mix it with the drinking water using the same dosage like from the plants by using 2 tablespoons and dilute it in a liter of water and feed them to the animals 2 times a week. It can also be mixed with the feeds at the same frequency. So that is the end of the presentation. I hope that you learned how to make fermented fruit juice yourself.